Peace, fam. So another myth I want to bring up is air conditioning. Air conditioning is for it, not you. If you look at the word air conditioning, what is it really? What is it really conditioning? It's not conditioning for you because your conditioning is the air itself, the oxygen itself, and that's it. So you need oxygen, but it needs air conditioning. If you're eating the right things, you won't get hot. You will be that of the trees. They don't get hot. They need water, but they don't get hot. You feel a tree any summer day, it's not going to be hot because it's fully hydrated. So another myth buster is water. Some of us is drinking too much water because you're already 75% water. So you just want to maintain your water. You don't want to overly water yourself. You want to maintain your water. So you only need about 8 ounces. Maybe 2 to 3 times a day. That's probably too much, but I'm just saying, a water bottle, like a 20-ounce water bottle, lasts me for about 3 days because you don't need that much water at all. So that's another myth buster. You're overwatering yourself. So you just urinate it out anyway. So what is in air conditioning? Antifreeze is in air conditioning. A chemical. So you're breathing chemicals all day. That's not helpful to you at all. When you should be one with nature. Eat the right things. Be that of the trees. And you won't worry about getting hot at all. It's a natural thing to have it to be warm and not hot. That's a troglodyte blowing at me. I hate them. It's like I'm not for you. For the brother and not you. But anyway.